Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Do you need to file a California non-resident tax return? This is a common question for many people who earn money in California but don't actually live there. Understanding your obligation can save you headaches and penalties. Generally, if you are a non-resident of California, you must file a California tax return, Form 540-NR, if you received income from California sources. This is the core rule to remember. What counts as California source income for a non-resident? It includes wages, salaries, and other compensation for services performed in California. So, if you worked in California, even for just a few days, that income is California source. It also includes income from a business, trade, or profession carried on in California. Rental income from property located in California is another common example. If you sold real estate located in California, any gain from that sale is also California source income. Even gambling winnings from California sources can trigger a filing requirement. However, simply having California source income isn't the only factor. You also need to meet a certain gross income or adjusted gross income (AGI) threshold. These thresholds change every year, so it's vital to check the current figures on the California Franchise Tax Board (FTB) website. For instance, if your California source income is below the state's minimum filing threshold for non-residents, and no California tax was withheld, you might not need to file. But here's a very important point: even if your California source income is below the filing threshold, if California state income tax was withheld from your pay or other income, you must file a California non-resident return to get that money back as a refund. Many people overlook this and leave money on the table. Now, let's clarify who is a non-resident versus a part-year resident. A non-resident is someone who lives outside California the entire year but earns income there. A part-year resident is someone who moved into or out of California during the tax year. The filing rules are slightly different for part-year residents, as they report all income earned while a resident and only California source income while a non-resident. So, make sure you know your residency status. If you have no California source income at all, you generally do not need to file a California non-resident tax return. This is the simplest scenario. But if you're unsure, or if your situation is complex, always consult a qualified tax professional. They can help you determine your exact filing requirements and ensure you comply with all state tax laws. Keep good records of all your income, expenses, and time spent working in California. This will make preparing your return much easier. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this information helps you understand your California non-resident tax obligations. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment with any questions you have, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tax tips and financial advice.